Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to promote Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest. This is a powerful way to earn commissions by sharing products you love with your audience. And Pinterest is perfect for this since it's a visual platform where people actively search for product recommendations. First, head over to your Amazon Associates account and log in. Once you're in, navigate to Amazon.com and search for the product you want to promote. This could be anything from home decor to tech gadgets, whatever fits your niche and appeals to your Pinterest audience. Now here's where it gets easy. At the top of the Amazon page, you'll see the Amazon Associates site stripe bar. This handy tool is exclusive to Associates members and makes grabbing your affiliate link super simple. Click on Get Link and your unique affiliate link will appear. Copy this link because you'll need it in just a moment. Next, open a new tab and go to Pinterest.com. Make sure you're logged into your Pinterest business account. If you're still using a personal account, you'll need to switch to business mode first, as this gives you access to analytics and other promotional tools that are crucial for affiliate marketing. Once you're in, click on Home Feed at the top left corner of the screen, then select Create Pin. This opens up the pin creation tool where you'll build your post. Start by uploading an eye-catching image that relates to the product. Visuals are everything on Pinterest, so choose something high quality and appealing. You can use product images from Amazon if their terms allow it, or create your own custom graphics. Now fill in the Add a Title field with a clear, attractive title that grabs attention. Think about what would make someone stop scrolling and want to click. In the Tell Everyone What Your Pin is About section, write a detailed description that includes relevant keywords. This helps your pin show up in Pinterest search results, so be strategic about the words you use. Here's the most important step. In the Add a Destination link field, paste your copied Amazon affiliate link directly. This ensures that when someone clicks your pin, they go straight to Amazon through your affiliate link. Finally, select a relevant board to save your pin or create a new board if needed. Organizing your pins into themed boards helps your content reach the right audience. Click Publish, and your pin is now live with your Amazon affiliate link attached. You've successfully set up a pin that can generate affiliate commissions every time someone clicks through and makes a purchase. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.